What's up everybody? Before we start the video, remember to subscribe, hit that like button for all kinds of unboxings. We're going to be doing trainers, gadgets, all sorts. So we're going to get straight into it. These are the Yeezys V2 Triple Black, and we've got the non-reflective. We've got a size UK 8.5. The seller did tell me to go up half a size, as they do run a little bit small. These were from Dhgate, and if you want to know more about the seller, remember to hit me up on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description below. Just before we look at the trainers, as everyone likes to look at the box, it came in perfect condition. Before we look at the trainers, straight away I see it comes in the correct paper. I have had a pair of authentic trainers of the Yeezys before, and this is how they actually come. These are looking pretty good. Let's have a look at the laces. So we've got the 3M. We will try, see if they are reflected. So it should be just the laces what reflect on these ones, because we did get the non-reflected. Pull tab looks pretty good, nice and steady. And one thing I look for is make sure we've got no glue down the seams, which this pair is absolutely spot on. It's also a very good shape. Some of the Yeezys are a funny shape, what you get off the Dhgate, and these ones seem pretty good. So they weren't the cheapest Yeezys, so there is cheaper ones, but I thought I'd rather pay a little bit more and get a better quality. I will do it on feet and tell you how they are true to size. Let's get the other one out. Nice, they're looking good. Can't wait to try these on. Let's have a look at the boost. So as you can probably tell on camera, I hope you can all see that. You can see all the lines on it. And these are real boost, these ones, so you can get an option, you can get non-real or real boost. So you can get non-real ones for $65, but I thought I'd go for the real ones. Let's have a look inside. As you can all see there, we've got the 3 straps as well. And you've got the little detail going across. Nice. Let's just move the box out of the way. So I'm going to give you a 360 so everyone can actually see how good they are. And being the non-reflective, the laces should light up. So I've got a torch with me, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but we're going to have a look. So I don't know if you can all see that, but they do reflect pretty well. I will try and get a better picture for you, or maybe take a photo so you can see it better. You can't see it that well, but they are actually reflecting pretty good. I also know one of the tests as well for the boost is by shining the torch. So we're going to do that in a second. But first let's get the insoles out, let's have a look. So we've got the Adidas Yeezys printed there. Spot on. Now look at the back. These are really, really good. So we're going to have a better look at the boost. Right guys, let me show you this. So if you can all see that on camera, you can see all the individual boosters put together. So that is now how you know you've got some real boost there. And the boosts do feel really comfortable. I can't wait to try these on. I'll show you the tags quickly. So it comes with the 2 tags. And while we're here, we'll have a quick look at the stitching, the toe box. Got your black swoosh going down here to the correct position. I'm going to try these on and let you know how they fit. So that's the on feet and try on. I've got to say guys, these are super comfy. They really are nice to wear. The one thing I would say, do make sure if you order from this seller, you do have to go up half a size because they are quite a snug fit. But I know Yeezys are anyway, as I've had some retail ones and they are quite snug anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. We've got a lot more coming soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.